Here's how to link your Chase business and personal accounts so you can manage everything from one login. Start by signing into your business profile. The linking process always begins there. Once you're in, tap the menu button in the top left, or just tap the profile icon in the top right. Both take you to Profile and Settings. Next, go to Account Settings, then select Manage Linked Accounts. You'll now see two sections: your existing linked relationships, which are your business accounts, and available relationships, which should show your personal accounts. Under Available Relationships, tap Link Relationship. This merges your personal accounts with your business login. If you don't see any accounts listed there, even though you have a personal profile, you'll need to call Chase and have them manually link it for you. After you tap Link Relationship, a pop-up will appear asking you to review and confirm. Make sure everything's correct, then click Link Relationship again to finalize it. You'll get a confirmation page letting you know the accounts were successfully linked. Now, when you return to your dashboard, you'll see both your business and personal accounts in one place. Just remember, you'll only see everything when you log in through your business profile. Your personal login will still show personal accounts only. And that's it. One login, all your Chase accounts, all in one spot.